So we have the next question, LeetCode, that is group anagrams. So group anagrams, what does this question say? We are given an array of strings. Group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. So this is a array, and this will be the output. So bat is single because it has no anagrams in this array. When we have nat and tan, then we have these three, 8, eat, t. So this is a kind of medium question on LeetCode. Group anagrams. Let's see. So let's discuss the solution of this question. I have tried many questions here, means many solutions, and I have optimized it. So this is a sets question. Let's discuss this. In anagram, we have already discussed this anagram question in past. The two strings are anagram, example and tan. When characters of that string can be rearranged to form the another word. Example, you can arrange A and T to form TAN. And if you sort, it will become A and T will remain A and T, and if you sort tan, it become A and T. So another property of anagram is, in a sorted order, anagrams are always equal in comparison, string comparison. So we will iterate over this array. Okay, let's write it down. This is our array, and we'll also have a hash map here. Hash map. So the hash map will store Sometimes this obsidian or Excalibur doesn't work as expected. So word in sorted. So in the map we will store word in sorted, and in the value we will store all anagrams of this word, or better we say anagrams array. So let's keep the pointer here to understand the question. We are at eat. What eat becomes when it's sorted? It becomes AET. So first question, does this AET already exist in the map? In that case we have to update its value. If that doesn't exist, then we have to create one. So AET, and the anagram it hold will be EAT. EAT. Okay. So next our pointer moves forward, that is T. If you saw T, what will it become? It become EAT. Sorry, AET. And again the same question, does it exist in the map? Yes. In that case, we'll not create one but update existing one. We have to insert the TEA as an anagram. Another thing, will not store anagrams array but will store anagrams set. Or I guess we can store array, that shouldn't cause any issue. So the next thing is TEA, not tan. What if you sort it? TAN becomes ANT. Does ANT exist in the map? No. We'll create one. ANT. ANT will hold the anagram TAN. TAN. ATE. ATE. What if you sort it? It becomes EAT. Now add this ATE in anagrams. ATE. Now NAT. What NAT becomes unsorted? ANT. So let's update, insert another one, NAT. Now BAT. What it becomes unsort? It becomes ABT. ABT doesn't exist, so let's create one, BAT. So it will hold BAT. No, it will hold BAT, but it will be ABT, not BAT. ABT. Because we have already said it is the sorted word and these are anagrams list. And to give the result, what we will do, we will just return all the anagrams array inside an array. So it's an array of array. So let's see, does our solution match? So output should have a bat. Yes, we do. Nat and tan, 8 eat t, 8 eat t. So that's the approach for this question, and let's see solution. So the solution is very simple. It's in JavaScript. First of all, we have created this map. We are iterating over strings as we have discussed. So what is the key? Key is we are creating the string into an array to sort it and to join it. Sort the array and join back to form a string. So that's the process of making EAT into AET. We have got the key. Does this key already exist? If not, then we'll create one. Okay. Now, after we have created, inside that key, we have to push the current string. So inside for this AET key, we are adding EAT. We are adding T. We are adding 8. That's process in this line. And after that, we are just returning all the values inside an array. All the values anagrams array inside an array. So that's the solution. And if we talk of complexity, so it's O of n, because iterating over all the array, O of n. And again we have to consider this thing, sorting. So for each string we are sorting it as well. The sort logic is k log k, where k is the average string length and storage is of n into k. Where k is average string length. Let's try to run this solution. Group anagrams. Already I have tried it. So I'm running it again. Okay, all cases passing and it's accepted.